Hello, welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Lata and Ammu. Today we are going to see how to make masala pongal. This is a little different from the regular when pongal we make. By adding a few more ingredients, this masala pongal will have a superb taste. If you make this masala pongal once, you will feel like making it again and again. Let's see how to make it now. Please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. To make masala pongal, I have taken 1 cup which is 250 grams of raw rice, washed and soaked in water for 1 hour, strained well and kept it aside. I have taken 3/4 cup of Moong Dal which is 175 grams. So rice 250 grams and Moong Dal 175 grams. Now let's add 9 tablespoons of oil to the cooker. Three tablespoons of ghee. Out of the 6 tablespoons of ghee I have already. This pongal needs quite some oil and ghee to make it tasty. Once hot, add 10 broken cashew nuts. Roast it to golden brown. It's your choice to add whatever quantity of cashew you want. Cashew is roasted and kept aside. Now, in the same ghee and oil, add 1½ teaspoon of pepper, 1½ teaspoon of cumin. Once it sputters, add 3 cut green chilli, some curry leaves, also ½ teaspoon Asafoetida powder, and after mixing well, add 1 large chopped onion. Saute until partially cooked. Once partially cooked, add 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell goes away. Ammu, it's sauteed well and the raw smell is gone. Now add ½ handful of mint leaves and saute. Then add 1 medium-sized tomato cut lengthwise and saute well. Onion and tomato sauteed well. Now add the Moong Dal to this and fry until the color changes. Rice is the one that we kept soaked for 1 hour, but Moong Dal you don't have to soak. Just wash and add right away. Ammu, do we have to roast Moong Dal before washing it? No. We can just wash and add it and then fry with the masala so that will be very aromatic. See, the Moong Dal is fried well and the raw smell has gone. At this stage, add the soaked and strained rice and mix it. The Moong Dal and the rice are mixed together. In the same cup used to measure rice and Moong Dal, take 5¼ cups of water and add it. Add 2 teaspoons of salt with that. Salt is something you can taste and add accordingly. Add some coriander leaves, the roasted cashews. Close the cooker and cook for 5 whistles and turn it off. It whistled 5 times and then steam has released. Now let's open and see. I have initially added 3 tablespoons of ghee in this. Now add another 3 tablespoons of ghee. You should try eating this pongal with coconut chutney or tomato pachadi. It will be excellent. Even if you don't have a side dish, you can eat it just with a pickle. Excellent masala pongal is ready. You too make it like this and let us know how it turned out. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thank you.